Welcome to English in Medicine 1. Today we are going to learn how to give directions.
So, why is giving directions in a hospital so important?
It is important because the faster we reach our destination, the less time we are going to be walking around in places that are packed with people seeking immediate attention.
Giving directions.
Giving and understanding directions can be difficult unless you know what to say. Look at the expressions below and make sure to understand the meaning of the prepositions.
Prepositions of place and movement.
Listen and repeat. Above, under, below, or beneath, beside, in back of, in front of, between, in, out, inside, outside, on, off, up, down, across, around, into, near, through, for, with, first, last.
Useful expressions.
Listen and repeat. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight ahead. Go past. Cross. At the corner of. Next to. Opposite. Between. Listen and repeat. Go straight until you see the hospital, then turn left, the parking lot is right there. Turn right at the end of the aisle, pediatrics is right there. Cross the street and walk for about 2 blocks until you see the station. Take the 3rd Street on the right. Take the 2nd Street on the left. Go straight ahead, the hospital is opposite the Metroway station. The restaurant is near the hospital. Go past the pharmacy, molecular biology is right in front. Pathology is across from the emergency room. The shop cafeteria is between the outpatients section and the reception. Look at the map before you begin the activity. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition or expression in parenthesis. You will have 40 seconds to complete before you listen to the correct answer.
Were your answers correct?
Listen and check. 1. The hotel is next to the bank. 2. The zoo is opposite the police station. 3. The library is between the post office and the city hall. 4. The bowling alley is on West Street. 5. The bar is at the corner of West Street and South Street. Look at the map before you begin the activity. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition or expression in parenthesis. You will have 40 seconds to complete before you listen to the correct answer.
Were your answers correct?
Listen and check. 6. The city hall is in front of the bookstore. 7. The hospital is next to the supermarket. 8. The bus station is between the police station and the school. 9. The bowling alley is behind the bookstore. 10. The hospital is at the corner of South Street and East Street.